Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LAs.com. Today we're here with our 2017 Super Duty truck, and we're showing you how to swap out those dim, dingy yellow vanity mirror lights with some super bright white LEDs from F150LAs.com. The swap out's extremely easy, and we're going to show you how it's done right now. Okay, so we've got our visor off the truck just to make it easier to show you on video, but you do not have to take this complete visor unit off. All that we're going to need to do to replace these ugly yellow halogen lights is going to be remove these white plastic covers. All right, so make sure that you don't have any power coming to the lights before we start working. And what we're going to do is just take a flathead screwdriver, and you're just going to work your way kind of in the center, inside center of this plastic. You're just going to gently get under it, just like that, and it's going to pop loose. So you'll notice that on the inside here that there's these two tabs, and then on the outside there's two larger tabs that are on the kind of closer to the bottom and closer to the top. So keep that in mind when you go to pop this thing back in, that the tabs are oriented a little bit differently. Okay, so that's all there is to getting our plastic cover here removed. So now what we're going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and pry this bulb out of the little prongs, and be careful because if you've had this light on a while, these lights can be hot. So this one hasn't been, we can just take it off. So now what we need to do is we're going to take our dense 16 LED pack bulb here. It's got onboard resistance. We've even got our logos laser engraved here on the ends, so you know that you're dealing with a genuine F150 LEDs product. And you're just going to insert it right back into place. Make sure those tabs feel like they're good and solid. So now when it's on the truck, what you want to go ahead and do is light this thing up just to make sure that you're going to get light here before we put our cover back on. We'll turn our bench. Oh yeah, there we go. It looks fantastic. I don't know if the camera captures it well, but it is so much brighter than these dim, dingy, yellow looking bulbs that come standard on your visor. Okay, so we've got light here, so we're good to go. If it didn't light up, what we need to do is take the bulb out, flip it 180 degrees and put it back in because these lights are polar sensitive. Okay, so again, make sure the power is off to these while we're working on the units. So now we're good to pop our cover back on. So you just slide those outer tabs in, and then we're just going to push here in the center, and it locks right in place. Now we'll do the same thing on this side, and that'll be all there is. Okay guys, we've got our new LED vanity lights installed. They look fantastic. The camera probably can't capture how good these things look, but it's a great and quick and easy way to spruce up the interior of your truck just by swapping out these vanity lights. You can find them at F150LAs.com, where you'll find all of our custom built lighting specifically for your Ford F-150 and Super Duty trucks. We truly appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you there. Thanks guys.